Hey, how's it going? I'm attorney Vincent Hughes of the law office of Vincent S. Hughes and Trash That Ticket. I want to start off by sending a big thank you to you and your family for your interest in hiring my office to represent you or a loved one in a California criminal, family, personal injury, or traffic-related case. It means a lot that you're just interested in my services. So, what sets me apart from other offices? First and foremost, it's that I'm here for my clients. I'm always available by email. I try to make myself as easily accessible as possible by phone. You can always call and schedule an appointment to speak with me. I'll be right there waiting. I can meet with you via Zoom, phone call, or in person. All you got to do is ask. Next, I really leverage technology to make sure that my clients stay up to date with what's going on with their case. From sending routine status letters after every stage of your case, after each hearing, letting you know that documents have been filed or when the next hearing date is, I really use technology to make sure that my clients have no questions that have been unanswered. And if you do find yourself with a question, call me, email me, text me, let me know and let me answer those questions for you. Next, I really try to provide affordable legal representation. Let's face it, it's expensive to get a lawyer. But by having my own office, I'm able to do what I can to help everybody out. I have something called client credit, which allows you to finance legal fees for up to 24 months if you're approved. Unfortunately, I don't decide who gets approved, but I do my best to make sure that you understand what the pros and cons are of paying for legal services, and that you have the knowledge and the ability to at least apply. And guess what? With client credit, it does not affect your credit, just to check and see. So I want to help you explore every option. If you don't get approved for client credit, I still work with you to come up with some kind of payment plan to make sure that you have access to justice. It's very bad in this country, actually, for people to not have equal access to attorneys. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to bridge the gap and make sure that everybody can afford a legal representative when they need it. Unfortunately, I know that some people have no money, and I want to provide them with the resources that they need that can provide representation at low to no cost. So even if I can't work with you or if you can't afford my services, I want to make sure I point you in the right direction of somebody that may be able to assist. So I do everything I can to make sure that everybody has access to equal representation. Finally, I fight like hell to make sure you get the best possible result. Unfortunately, every case is unique in its own facts and circumstances, but I will do everything in my power to make sure you get the best possible outcome in your case. From advising you on what you could and should be doing to make sure that you don't find yourself in a worse off position, to preparing and drafting the motions that may work to get you a dismissal or on a road to dismissal or lesser charges, or even taking the time to file that extra declaration in your family law case to ensure that the judge knows what's going on in your case before they even take the bench. I do everything possible to help you achieve the best possible goal in your case. Now, what can we do to move forward? If you're interested in hiring my office, or if you have some additional questions, feel free to reach out. Somebody from my office or myself can definitely spend some time and go over your options and what we can do to help you out in your matter. Now, if you're not willing to accept representation at this point, we don't hold any hard feelings. If I can help you in any future legal matters, all you have to do is pick up the phone and call us. We're always here to help. Law Office of Vincent S. Hughes, Trash That Ticket. We're here, we're ready, and we're willing to help you get the best possible results. Oh, and please never forget, when accused, call Hughes.